This is how easy it is to pair your smartphone. And it's going to work the same way whether you have an iPhone or an Android device. We're going to select the phone icon right there, and you can see that the instructions are on the screen. This is so easy, you almost don't need me to tell you how to do it or show you how to do it, but I'm going to show you anyway. So we're going to scroll all the way down. We see My Kicks right there. We're just going to push that or select that. We're going to pair right there, and we'll just follow the prompts as they come up on the screen. Very easy to deal with. And then you can choose what you want to do. If you just want to go off of Bluetooth right here, you can. Android Auto, you can do that. In my case, we're going to use Apple CarPlay, and you can use USB if you want to. But we're going to go ahead and select CarPlay. I'm going to select Use CarPlay, and then we're going to say yes right there, yes right there. And basically it's done. It's just connecting right now, as you can see. Let's see how long that takes. It shouldn't take too long, at least I wouldn't think. There we go. And now we're connected.